How do you get your Facebook page verified? I'm Jerry Banfield, and I have a verified Facebook page with 1.3 million likes on the page. I'll show you right now exactly how you get a verified page. It's this simple. There's a link right here, facebook.com/help/contact, and then there's a bunch of numbers. If you're on the YouTube video or on this post on Facebook, there will be a link to this actual page on here. You can also just search request a verified page in Google. You can say google.com and you can put in request a verified page, and look, it's right here on the top of Google. You click back here and this is the page I was just on. So once you're on this request a verified badge page, there's a few steps you have to take. I have already taken these steps and it worked for me. Now, I have a pretty big page, as I said, with 1.3 million likes that has a big following online. So right now, Facebook is only supporting select people, sports, media, and entertainment pages to be verified. So I will give you a solution to get more likes on your page using Facebook ads if you don't have them. So for now, I'll assume you do have enough, or you will have enough in the future. Once you do, and your page is set up as a public profile. Facebook's not supporting requests for other types of pages. So you set it up like mine. It's teacher is what you see here. It's a public figure is a type of page. So once you do that, you select your page, and then you attach the files they ask for here. I attached my driver's license, and I put a link to my website, which is jerrybanfield.com. I put that in there, and then I hit send. And it took several days, maybe like 5 or 6 days or something like that. And then my page got verified, just like you see it is right here, a verified page. I'm very thankful for this, and that's exactly how I did it. In order to change what kind of page you have, if you don't set it up as a public figure, if you've got it set up as something else, here's how you change it. You go down to your About, and then you click on the About tab right here, and then you get it set up here. You can change your category, and so you want to set it as people. You set it as people because that matches up with what Facebook's asking for. Select people. Now, if you have a sports, media, entertainment, or government page, you can do that too. But usually you want to set it up as people in order to get it verified, and then you pick whatever you are on here. So I've picked teacher, and that's what I'm doing. And you then save that prior to submitting your page. Now, if you have it as a different name, I had this as my company page, you can also submit a request to change your page name. If you need to change your page name, all you have to do is click edit and submit a request to get your page name changed. And that's what I did. I got my page name changed from my company page to now my name, and then I changed it from a company to people because my company page would not have got verified, but the people page did get verified. And you can then change your URL, and I can't change it again. You can only change it once because I already changed it. So you can change your URL to match your name also. So that addresses the issues you might have where you don't have the right page name or page type. Now, what if you don't have enough likes on your page? Facebook's not likely to verify your page if you don't have very many likes. You can see I have 1.3 million likes on my Facebook page. You can see it here, and you can see it on YouTube and on my website where I've got the widget right here, or on my YouTube channel. If you don't have very many likes, or if you want more help with Facebook, I have a comprehensive course on Udemy that shows you exactly how to get that set up and how to get your likes for 1 cent each using Facebook ads. That's how I've got such a big page. I've spent around $10,000 or more on Facebook ads for my page, and I've got tons of cheap likes all over the world, and now I'm picking up lots of likes in the US and other countries. I've got all these likes using the information I show you in my Facebook ads course. So if you take a look on the Facebook ads course, you'll see I've answered hundreds of questions in the course. There's hundreds of lectures. There's all kinds of good information in here. And that's why there's 155 reviews on it. People are currently saying things like, I've over-delivered, or I've made a comprehensive course. There's all kinds of positive things said in the reviews. Over-delivered, update the course, best Facebook course on Udemy, best course I've seen. All kinds of positive feedback. Most comprehensive and up-to-date course. I work on this all the time, and one guy didn't like it there. Awesome course. Learned a ton from it. Great course. Best course. I put a lot of work into this course, and that's why it's good. If you search for Facebook ads on Udemy, Udemy is the world's largest online course platform. You'll see popularity, my course comes up first. And I actually have another course, even 2 more courses that are in these search results. Or if you search for Facebook marketing, you'll find the same thing. So if you need help with Facebook ads and marketing in order to get your course up to the level where my course has allowed me to get my page, all you have to do is you go to my website at jerrybanfield.com, and there's a coupon to the complete Facebook ads course for $25 right there. So I'll show you what this looks like in a new private window where you haven't been to my website before. So you go to my website, and then this comes up. $25 to take the course here. And you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not happy with it, you get a full 30-day money-back guarantee. You can get your money back. I don't want your money unless you're completely happy with this course. There's 20 hours of HD video, 142 lectures. It's in English, however, I'm getting subtitles done in other language. I clearly explain all the things about the course that make it relevant. You can see all these lectures here, and then the reviews. Overall, lots of positive reviews, 129 5 stars, only 5 1 stars, and 5 3 stars so far. You can count on this course to be really useful for you in what you're doing on Facebook ads and marketing. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope showing you how to get your page verified like my page is verified is useful for you. I originally looked at some other YouTube videos. They guided me in the wrong direction to get my page verified. However, they led me to the right place. I ended up filling out the wrong forms to get my page verified. But the Facebook support person put me to the right form. So now here you go. You've got the right form in this video, and you've got the opportunity to go far beyond what you ever imagined possible on Facebook. With my website, jerrybanfield.com. Tons of free things on my website, on my blog post. You can see there's just hundreds of blog posts for free, all kinds of things here. If you go to the podcast, I put new videos out almost every single day on iTunes and Stitcher, and on YouTube. I have 500 plus videos on YouTube, free tutorials, all kinds of things out there to help you. So thank you very much for watching this, and good luck getting your Facebook page verified.